Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Take it out.
Lesson 1.3. Share your Screencastify via YouTube. You can also share Screencastify videos directly from Google Drive into YouTube. Open up your Screencastify recordings. Select the icon for Screencastify and then select the More options, My Recordings. Select a Screencastify that you would like to share to YouTube. Select Share and then select YouTube. You will need to specify the channel. By this time, you have already created a channel in YouTube. Select the account that you want to link the Screencastify to YouTube. In this example, I'm using the @cvuhsd.org account, and then allow access. I'm using my test user account, and then upload. Now the file is being uploaded into YouTube. You can go back to YouTube and make changes as needed. Select your account icon and then select YouTube Beta. Select Videos, and now you can find the video that we sent from Screencastify directly from Google Drive and shared it with the YouTube channel. If you need to make further changes to this video or delete the video, select the option Delete.